Exercise 6.5. First main question. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So in this first question, x plus 3 into x plus 3. So the given question can be written as x plus 3 the whole square, because 2 times are here, so you should take x plus 3 the whole square. Now we know that one identity a plus b the whole square formula. Now here a plus b the whole square. So this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this identity we can use here. Now here a is equal to x is here, then b is equal to 3. So here we will take a is equal to x, then b is equal to 3. Now according to this identity, what is the first term here? A square is there. Okay. Now here a is equal to what we should take? X. So this one we should expand this. So first term how to write? A square means x square. Then plus 2a into b. A is x, b is 3. 2 into x into 3. Then plus b square. B is equal to 3 is here. So you should write 3 square. Then x square as it is, plus 2 3 is a 6 into x, 6x, plus 3 square is 9. Okay. Now similarly we will come to the question number 2. Now this also can be written as 2y plus 5 whole square. So this is equal to same identity we can use, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is equal to this question it become in the form a plus b the whole square. First term is here a. Here a is equal to what we should take? 2a. So a is equal to we should take 2y. Sorry, a is equal to 2y. Then b is equal to what we should take? 5. Now according to that identity, first term what is there? A square is there. So a square means a is equal to what is here? 2y. 2y whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 2y, b is 5. 2 into 2y into 5 plus b square, that means 5 square. Now multiply 2y into 2y. 2 2s are 4y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 20y plus 5 square is 25. Okay, this is the second result. Question number 3. 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. So this can be written as 2a minus 7 whole square. Okay. Now minus is there. Now which identity we can use? A minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. So this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a, first term, here a is equal to what we should take? A is equal to 2a. Then b is equal to 7. B is equal to 7. So this one we should expand now. First term a square is there. A is equal to what we should take? 2a. 2a whole square minus 2 into ab. A is 2a b is 7, then plus b square, that means 7 square. 2a whole square, it becomes 4a square, then minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 7, 7 4s are 28, a plus 7 square, 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now similarly come to the question number 4. Now 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as 3a minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now here first term here 3a is here, second term 1 by 2. That means here you write in rough column better, a is equal to 3a, b is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to use same identity. So this is equal to, according to that identity, first term what is there? A square is there. A square means here a is equal to 3a. That means 3a to the power of 2 whole square, 3a whole square. Then minus 2ab, 2 into 3a, b means here what we should take? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then plus 1 by 2 the whole square, b square means 1 by 2 the whole square. Then 3a whole square, 3a into 3a multiply, 3 3s are 9a square. Then minus, now see here numerator 1 2 is there, denominator 1 2 get cancel. Then 3a remaining here, then plus 1 square is 1 in numerator, then denominator 2 square it become 4. Okay, this one is the solution for this question. Next question number 5. 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. So this can be written as, now here 1 minus is here, here plus is here. Okay. So this one what we should do? A minus b into a plus b. So this formula we can use, a minus b into a plus b. We can use this identity. So this is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. That means here a is equal to 1.1 m, then b is equal to 0.4. So this can be written as 1.1 m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. 0.4 whole square. Okay. Now we should multiply 1.1 into 1.1. That means here first you ignore the decimal point. You should take 11 11s are 121. So you should write 121 first. So here after one digit point is there. So we are multiplying twice. That means after 2 digits you put the point. That is 1.21 m square minus, now here 0.4 whole square, that means 0.4 into 0.4 we should multiply it. Okay. Now ignore the decimal point, then you take only 4, 4 4s are 16, you should write 16. Now after one digit point is there, that means after 2 digits we have to put the point. Now here 2 digits we got, so put point, then you should write 0. Okay. So answer is 1.21 m square minus 0.16.